Imagine biting into the crispiest, fluffiest focaccia you've ever had, made from scratch with just a few simple ingredients. Today, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate sourdough focaccia that's so good you'll never want store-bought again. Hi, I'm Mark, and welcome to Booch & Baker, where we dive into all things sourdough, fermentation, and delicious homemade bakes. If you love that kind of stuff, make sure to stick around. All right, let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this mouth-watering focaccia. 100 grams sourdough starter, 390 grams water, 500 grams all-purpose flour, 10 grams of salt. Now let's bring this dough together with a good mix. Stir it until the flour is fully hydrated. Once it is all combined, add in the olive oil and knead until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Cover with a damp towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. This little break lets the flour absorb the water and makes the dough easier to work with. Next, we'll do 2 rounds of stretch and folds, 30 minutes apart. This helps develop the gluten for the perfect airy texture. Pro tip, wet your hands before handling the dough to keep it from sticking. Now let the dough ferment for a total of 7 hours, including the stretch and folds. During this time, it will rise and develop that incredible sourdough flavor. Busy schedule? No problem. You can also ferment it overnight in the fridge. Just bring it back to room temp before shaping. Once your dough has risen, oil a pan generously and stretch the dough to fit. If it resists, let it rise again for 10 minutes, then try again. Cover and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours, or until it's doubled in size and looking light and puffy. Now, for the fun part. Dimpling. Press your fingers into the dough to create those signature pockets, then drizzle generously with olive oil. For toppings, go classic with flaky sea salt and rosemary, or get creative with garlic, tomatoes, or caramelized onions. Preheat your oven to 430 degrees or 220 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and crispy, and rotate halfway for an even bake. Just look at this. Golden, bubbly, and beautiful. The crispy crust, the soft and airy crumb. This is focaccia at its finest. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. I know it's tempting, but trust me, it's worth the wait. And that's how you make the ultimate sourdough focaccia. Crispy, soft, and absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more sourdough and fermentation goodness, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite focaccia toppings. See you next time.